Welcome back everyone. I will do my withdrawal number 12 from this light and stable platform for trade BOUSDT.org. If you want to recharge and deposit, go to the mine. After you go to the mine, this is recharge. Click recharge. After you click recharge, copy this address and go to any wallet, Trust wallet or Binance wallet and send the money to this address, the RC20 network. After you send the money, click this. The withdrawal, the deposit will arrive to your account in 1 minute everyone. Like we see, minimum deposit 10 TRX or 10 USDT. If you want to trade everyone, go to this. After you go to this, like we see in this platform there is two groups for signals, 5 minute or 1 minute plans. I will show you. We will see link 5 minute groups or 1 minute groups in the description of the video. Like we see this is group 1 minute. Every 1 minute you can see signal, and when you see this it is lose, and when you see this it is win. Like we see, this is the signal now. I will go to the platform and I will choose 1 minute. After I choose 1 minute, the time finish everyone. It is signal single, like the group single when, like we see. The another big. Go to the platform and be sure in 1 minute. After that, click buy. You will choose big and put your amount you will trade with it there, and click confirm. After that, trade. From this you can see the record everyone. It is big, and the group, like we see, it is the single. It is big now. Waiting, and I will trade with single now or the time lose. I will waiting to finish the time to I start trade. Like we see everyone, single. I will go to the platform and click buy, choose single. I will trade with 3 TRX, confirm, trade. Successful trade. I will waiting this time to finish. Like we see, I win and my amount increases. Like we see everyone, it is double. I will go to the platform and click buy, choose double. I will trade with 3 TRX, confirm, trade. Oh, the time finish. I will waiting to another time. Like we see everyone, I trade and I win all this amount. I will go to withdraw. When you want to withdraw, put your address wallet TRC20 there and the amount and click withdraw. Like we see, minimum withdraw 10 TRX and minimum withdraw USDT 10 USDT. Putting me to put 9. After I put my address wallet TRC20 and the amount, and I will click withdraw now. Confirm. Withdraw successful. I will go to withdraw now and go to my withdraw record from here. Like we see, this is my withdraw number 12 from this light and stable platform for trade. I will waiting to rise successful. After that will arrive in 1 second everyone. Waiting. Like we see everyone, it is successful and the withdraw arrived to my wallet directly. I will go to my wallet and show you. Like we see, the withdraw arrived directly. See the time and the amount and the time here. In 1 second after write successful will arrive to your wallet everyone. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel to receive all new and stable platforms like BOUSDT.org for trade, and you will see link register with all details and link groups for 1 minute and 5 minutes in the description of the video. Put like and deposit and start trade with me everyone. Good luck everyone.